Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome to the very first episode of SimpleSwap's podcast. Today we'll cover the main news that happened in the crypto industry during November and see how they affected the market. Buckle up, we're getting started. The most crashing and burning news was, of course, FTX's downfall. It all started when some internal documents leaked and led to an investigation, according to which significant funds of Alameda Research, another company of the FTX's founder Sam Bankman-Fried, is linked to FTT, the exchange token of FTX. On November 11th, Mr. Bankman-Fried, who was called the King of Crypto, stepped down as CEO. FTX, its sister firm Alameda Research, and 130 affiliated companies under the FTX group filed for bankruptcy. A criminal investigation has just started. In the meanwhile, FTX owes its customers and creditors a whopping $3 billion. The new CEO of FTX, John J. Ray III, said that he has never seen such a complete failure of corporate controls and such a complete absence of trustworthy financial information as occurred in FTX. Following the intense events connected to FTX, CZ, the head of Binance, expressed his willingness to restore people's faith in crypto. The company plans to do that with the help of proof of reserves. It is an independent audit of a company's balance sheet conducted by a third party. This potentially might become the industry standard that could bring more transparency to the industry. By the way, Crypto.com already made an effort to confirm the availability of funds and listed the company's cold store information. But this showed a strange transfer of roughly $400 million worth of Ether to Gate.io in October 2022. Later, the company's CEO, Chris Marszalek, said it was a mistake of one of the employees and that Gate.io returned the funds. Mr. Marszalek assured such mistakes will not happen again. Well, time will tell. It's time to move on to FTX's related news. Do you want to hear some good news, guys? Because we do have a couple of them. Remember the president of El Salvador, Nayib Bukele? He announced that his country will start purchasing BTC on a daily basis starting from November 17th. As for November 10th, El Salvador holds 2,381 BTC with an average price of $45,000. Do you buy the dip as Mr. Bukele? Another great news is that crypto payments became available on Apple Pay. Not all crypto yet, but still. USDC stablecoin can now be used as a payment method via Apple Pay. This move is expected to boost commerce by making transactions faster and safer, which can be a way to support crypto businesses, wallets, exchanges, and NFT marketplace. What else was discussed within the crypto community? Vitalik Buterin has revealed a new, previously unexpected section in the Ethereum 2.0 roadmap called the Scourge. The goal of the new step is to further ensure the neutrality of transactions and make the new network less centralized. If you find the roadmap hard to follow, you're not alone. Many people have criticized Vitalik due to the countless changes and key steps of development and almost never fulfilled target dates. We can say that Mr. Buterin does care about his product or just realizes that without the regular updates, it'll be tough to support the popularity and cost of Ethereum. Let's take a look at the market now. At the beginning of the month, Bitcoin showed steady growth and reached the price mark of $20,460. But on November 10th, BTC renewed its minimum price, $15,580 per coin. The fall was more than 23%. FTT token experienced the sharpest fall due to well-known events. The price decreased from $26 to almost $1, with a drop of over 95%. Solana has been in trouble too. No surprise for that. FTX and its venture capital fund Alameda were the largest holders of Sol. The token hit new lows, reaching the price of $10.91 from $38.86, down over 71%. The CHZ coin showed the strongest recovery. It rose from $0.1450 to $0.2745, with an increase of more than 89%, but subsequently it continued to decline. What can we expect in December? Due to the general economic crisis and the high pressure put on the crypto market, we can expect new announcements of upcoming bankruptcies and other negative scenarios. Such news may provoke investors to withdraw funds from their accounts on centralized exchanges, which may lead to new bursts of volatility and a possible further decline in BTC to $12,000 to $10,000. That's it, guys. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to stay tuned for the upcoming episodes of our podcast.